going to see the job notification which was released by Central Cooperative Banks in the state of Odisha. They are looking for the post of banking assistant grade 2, assistant manager grade 2 and system manager. Online registration of application starts from March 20, 2020. The last date is extended up to May 31st, 2020. Payment of fees online is also extended up to May 31st, 2020. Online examination dates will be announced later. These are the name of the banks. Totally 17 banks recruiting the total 267 candidates for the post of assistant manager grade 2. For banking assistant grade 2, the total number of vacancies are 485. For system manager, the total number of vacancies are 34. You can view the vacancies based on the bank by download this notification. In description I provided this link to download the notification. You can download it and read it clearly. Now I am explaining the importance of this notification only. Let's see the pay matrix. For assistant manager grade 2, salary is rupees 9,300 to 34,800. For banking assistant grade 2, rupees 5,200 to 20,200. For system manager, rupees 9,300 to 34,800. Along with DA and other allowances for all the categories of the post. Eligibility criteria for the post of assistant manager grade 2. The applicant must be resident of the state of Odisha and indicate the DCCB's applicant. Graduate in any discipline having proficiency in computer application. If you are arts degree holder or engineering or a master degree like MBA, ME, MSc, or that's not a matter, you have apply if you have any degree. For the post of system manager, candidate securing minimum 60% mark in MCA, BTech with computer science or IT. For the post of banking assistant grade 2, graduate in any discipline having proficiency in computer application. Let's see the age criteria. The minimum age should be 21 years and the maximum is not more than 32 years of age as on January 1, 2020. And these are all the required documents. Photograph, the size 4.5 centimeter to 3.5 centimeter. Your signature. And the left thumb impression of your important thing. Signature in capital letters will not be accepted. Application fees. For unreserved and SCBC candidates, fees is ₹1,000 rupees. Other candidates like SC ST candidates ₹600 is examination fees. Then other important thing, These are the computer based examination pattern. English, number of questions 30, maximum marks 30, time allotted for each test separately, time 20 minutes, numerical ability 35 questions 35 marks, reasoning ability 35 questions 35 marks, totally 100 questions 100 marks, duration 60 minutes, online main exam, general finance awareness 40 questions 40 marks 30 minutes duration, general English 40 questions 40 marks, reasoning ability and numerical ability also 40 questions and 40 marks for each, time duration is 35 minutes for each, total number of questions 160, maximum mark is 160, totally 140 minutes. For assistant manager grade 2, examination pattern, you can read it by download this notification. This for system managers. These are the general instructions. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.